Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Hi, Connie. What's going on?
It's actually...
You hold Poke on the other side of the stream. We'll hold him on this side.
Got it.
Yes, soldier. Come on by Sergeant Surplus Hunt for all your government surplus needs.
Oh, honey, surplus.
We have two. Bonita música.
Aha! Laugh it up. Real fun.
Right. Meow. Everyone say Princess Lanny.
Princess.
Well, sure you can, Mac. Look, it'll be easy. I'll stay up with you.
All night?
All night.
This is it, my last offer. You buy one tire, I give you 7 snow tires.
Honey,
Most people call me just Ishani.
I'm Dusty. I mean, my name is Dusty. I'm not.
Something to drink. Stop at Flo's VA Cafe. Finest fuel on Route 66.
No, we just...
Me be jamming now, man.
A winner. Who be jamming now? Now, okay?
A little something to remember us by.
And everyone sure is peaceful.
Hey, losers! Rift and run!
Dead, he emerged 36 days later, running enough fuel he distilled himself from the natural element.
In a lot of years, right? I love this guy.
Hay que ir recto. Ya hoy suficiente y fuera.
Adagia, Francesco needs no strategy. It's very simple. You start the race, wait for Lightning McQueen. My mama is right here. Mama! Don't worry, Mama! McQueen.
This is going nowhere fast. We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Oh, number 7 is loose! Shoot Todoroki!
Because I never trusted Axelrod. You're dead wrong, man. It was him.
If there is no road for them to drive on. Luigi, what do you have at your store?
Tires.
And if
Race car.
King, Strip Weathers have one more victory in him before retirement.
He's been Dinoco's golden boy for years.
To the crew chief, but I didn't know it was this bad.
I thought you said you'd never come back.
Well, I really did.
Hey, what? What's going on? That's what I call... Guido! Fist up!
Absolutely, positively no idling. Are we clear?
Yes, right. No idling. Yes, sir.
Mater?
Man, Ramon will paint you up right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job.
Close finish. You sure made Dinoco proud. Thank you, King. Well, Tex, you've been good to